Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off push notifications and alerts on the Earn to Die Rogue game. So let's begin. Once you complete your very first level on the Earn to Die game, you will get access to your homepage. From here you can click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner, which will open up settings. Then from the settings page, you can simply turn off the notification toggle. If this is set to red, then it means notifications are turned on. So if you want to turn it off, simply tap on it and this will disable notifications. Now in most cases this might just work, but sometimes it will still override. So in order to prevent it from happening, long press on the Earn to Die Rogue game and tap on the app info button. From here tap on force stop in order to stop the game. Then go into notifications and make sure that the allow notification toggle is also disabled. Once you turn this off, all of the notifications from the game will be turned off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off push notifications and alerts on the Earn to Die Rogue game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.